Hey guys, let's start on our new topic, conic section. And conic section maybe especially parable. CBSE Class XI. Okay, so let me show you the PDF. So this is NCRT. तो देखो ये डिफरेंट प्लेन और कौन का इंटरसेक्शन से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शेप जनरेट कर रहा है ना? तो वही मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। जैसे इलिप्स है, पैराबोला है, हाइपरबोला है, स्ट्रेट लाइन, पॉइंट, पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन, सभी चीजें जनरेट होती हैं। ओके, तो मैं आपको ये थोड़ा सिमुलेशन एनिमेशन के थ्रू दिखाता हूँ। लेट्स वेट सी। तो मैंने ये एक वेबसाइट का मैं लिंक आपको दे दूंगा, आप उससे प्ले कर सकते हो। Let's see. So this is parabola. I think this is clearly visible to you. Okay. So see, if this surface, and you pass a plane parallel to this surface, right? Let me move it. See, this is moving. Okay, but this is moving parallel to this surface. Okay, so it will generate parabola. See, this is parabola, right? And it is only given in the PDF. Let me show you. See, this is parallel to alpha is equal to beta technically. So this is a net parabola. Okay. So different shapes you can generate with this, simulation. So let's change the angle now. So this will now become hyperbola. See, this is hyperbola. You can see both branches if you intersect. Let's see here. Yeah. So see, both branches are there of hyperbola. Okay. Now move to here. So this will be circle. Okay. See, this is circle. So it will like cut, horizontally. So you can move up and down. So it will only generate circle. And if you move slightly right or left, it will generate ellipse. So this is ellipse. You can move it further. Yeah. So this is ellipse. Okay. So this is ellipse. Now I will show you. I have shown you like different shapes: ellipse, hyperbola, parabola. Now I'll show you degenerate case of conic section where you will get point, straight line, pair of straight line, right? So suppose this plane now passing through the vertex. So let me pass through this vertex. Yeah. Okay. Still, I think there's some. Actually, it's very difficult, to perfectly pass it through this section. Let me make it. Okay. It was still ellipse. Just a second. So I think, yeah, it's very difficult to do this. So I will explain. Suppose this plane, suppose, let me make it vertical first. Yeah. Okay. Now this plane moving, and touch this. Okay. Okay. See, this is perfectly passing through the point, top of the cone. So this will generate a point. So this is the degenerate case of ellipse, and it is, a point, right? Again, now if I move, tilt this, let's say, this is ellipse. Let's move up and down and make it angle. So this is, let me go for the parabola first. Yeah, this is parabola. Now let's move. Little more moment. Actually, I'm trying to, align with this surface. So I will show you in the PDF. You can do simulation itself. So this is straight line. If this plane touch this, dark surface, this highlighted in black sun, and if this, passing through vertex, but, cutting the both surfaces, so it will generate two pair of lines. Okay. So that's it. Through the conic section, how to generate surfaces. Now let me discuss the mathematical part of it. So the mathematical definition of this नीचे उठ गया वो parabola. Okay, mathematical definition of parabola. So it's simple. Suppose you have variable point x comma y, and you have fixed point f h comma k, and you have a fixed straight line L. So if the distance of this point PF is equal to PM, means this point is moving in such a way, the distance from the fixed point and the fixed line is always same, it will generate the parabola. So your shape will be generated like this. Forget about my bad drawing. Excuse me about it. Okay. So this is fixed line. Let me show you again. This fixed point f h comma k. This is a variable point p x comma y, and this will generate parabola, right? If the distance between this point and this line is same. Okay, so PM is equal to PF. This is PM, right? Okay, but in CBSE we will not discuss this in this generalized form. We will discuss it in the standard form. So standard form. So स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या है? सो हमने क्या किया, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के लिए हमने जब अपनी वाई एक्सिस होती है, ओके, तो हमने एक फिक्स लाइन ले ली x इक्वल टू, है ना, ये वर्टिकल लाइन ली फिक्स, यहाँ पे एक फिक्स पॉइंट ले लिया a,0, और वर्टेक्स हमने यहाँ पे मान लिया कि जो पैराबोला ओरिजिन से पास करेगा, इस तरह से कुछ ऐसे मान दो हमने। ओके, ये वर्टेक्स है, दिस इज वर्टेक्स, ये कोई वेरिएबल पॉइंट है, ये इस तरह से मूव करेगा कि पी एफ, सेकेंड पी एफ और पी एम की जो डिस्टेंस है वो सेम है, राइट? ये इस तरह से मूव कर रहा है, पी एफ और पी एम की डिस्टेंस सेम है, लेट्स से डी, ओके। Now the distance is same, pf and pm is same, you will get the equation of y square is equal to 4ax. See, you can calculate it using this formula, pf is equal to pm. Pf will be simple, x minus a ka whole square plus y square under root, and pm is equal to x plus a. So this is x comma y, right? And this distance is a. This distance is a, y. Suppose this origin point is on the parabola only, right? So distance from focus will be equal to distance from vertical line. So this will also a. And the equations x minus, right? X minus is the equations. So when you solve this equation, you will get y squared equal to 4x. Simple. So now this is the standard equation. Okay. And there are four types of standard equation. I will show you. First, discuss the terminology. So terminology part we'll discuss very quickly. So let's say this is parabola. This is focus, comma 0. This is directrix, fixed line. I think this two terminology I have already discussed. Let's see the new one. So we have discussed focus is the fixed point, is the fixed line, directrix. Okay. Third is vertex. We already discussed. So this equation, this is origin. Origin is vertex. So origin in this standard form, and standard equation y square equal to 4x उसके टर्म में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. And what else? The axis of symmetry. This is axis of symmetry because it is same. Uh, above this and below this, it is same. Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is axis of symmetry. X-axis. Okay. One more thing, focal chord. Focal chord. So suppose a line is passing through focus, we call it focal. So this is focal chord, right? So this is focal chord. So let's stop here and we will connect again. And that's it, I think, for this lecture. And if you like this lecture, if you like the video, please do share and do subscribe. Thank you guys. We'll meet again. Bye bye.